Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to look at specifically the audience targeting, which is related to locations, age, and gender. So let's go back to the campaign which we were creating. So if you remember in the last video, we had gone ahead and set up the budget and schedule for the campaign. And now when you move forward, we come to audience controls. So this is where we can start with location targeting first. So here you can include all the locations, the geographical locations where you would like to show your ads. Okay, so here we can go ahead and select our country as well, country targeting, which we can do in this particular manner. So there are various types of targetings which we can do out here, guys. Okay. In this particular manner, we can select cities as well, state as well. All of that will be possible. So once you do your location targeting, you can now come to the minimum age setting as well. So you can choose your minimum age, which you want to select out here from where you want to do your demographic targeting. That's also possible. And if there are any specific custom audiences which you want to exclude, you can add over here. So if you have any existing audiences, custom audiences which you have created, and you would like to exclude them from not showing up, then those can be selected out here. Apart from that, you can also do the language targeting here, specifically the languages which you would like to target in this particular manner, you can select. Once you do your language targeting as well, and then we move forward to Advantage Plus audiences, where we can do the other targetings related to, so if you want to add any custom audiences, existing audiences which you have created can be selected and added over here specifically. And then you have the age demographic targeting, which you can do. So you can select the minimum age group and the maximum age group which you want for this. So here, let's say we are looking at a specific age group from, let's say, 24 years to 50 years, you can select in this particular manner. Also, we can do a gender targeting, which is where we can select a gender over here. Let's say we are targeting these ads or products to only men. So in that case, we can select in this particular way. So these are all the targetings, guys, which we can do till here, which is around location targeting, age targeting, language targeting, which we can do, and also the gender targeting, which we can do. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how these settings can be done at an ad set level. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. And I will see you in the next video.